Hello everyone. I hope you understood about vectors and its types. So let us discuss about one more type of vector before studying about addition, subtraction and multiplication of a vector. So today we are going to discuss about unit vector and some numericals based upon same. So dear students, as you must have seen in your notes also that a vector of length unit, 1 unit is called as unit vector. For example, a velocity of 1 meter per second square in each direction, that's what we call unit vector because its magnitude is 1 unit. And here is formula written for the unit vector, that is A cap. We call it A cap. A cap is equal to A upon A magnitude. A in modulus, this is called as magnitude of A, because you know that vector has two things, one is magnitude, one is direction. So this is the magnitude, means numerical value, and here this A, it is the vector. And dear students, you must know that vector is always written in the form of I, J and K. Now you must be thinking that what is this I cap, J cap and K cap? Dear students, let me tell you that whenever we are drawing coordinates, then we are writing this is X, Y, Z. So now the direction of your x-axis is given by a unit vector and we call it I cap. This is known as unit vector along x-axis. Similarly, the unit vector along y-axis is j and unit vector along z-axis is k. So I, J, K, these three are the unit vectors along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. So whenever we are writing any vector, means a vector we are writing, so it will always be in the form of I cap minus 3j cap plus 4k cap. That means I, J and K will be there. It may happen that if it is only two dimensions, then you will get only I and J. And if it is three dimensional, then you will get I, J as well as K. So once again I am telling I, J and K, these are the unit vectors along x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. And this is the formula to get the unit vector. And dear students, what unit vector tells us? So always remember that unit vector tells us about the direction of vector. Unit vector tells us about the direction of the vector. Keep these things in mind and please note it down. The unit vector gives us direction of the vector and its formula is A cap is equal to A upon magnitude of A. Here A I have taken vector. In this way they can give you any other vector as well. They can give you P, Q, R, S, A, B, C, anything. Okay, but formula will remain same. So I hope you understood about unit vector. Now we will solve few numericals on the basis of unit vector. But first of all you can see that in this unit vector, there is something in denominator, that is a mod what we call magnitude. So first of all you should know that how to calculate magnitude of a vector. So first of all we will learn how to calculate magnitude of a vector. So let us take a magnitude of vector A whose vector components are given ai cap plus a2j plus a3k. So magnitude of A would be, dear students, you have to add the square of the coefficient. Coefficient means the terms which are written with I, J cap and K cap. So it is A1, A2 and A3. So magnitude of A will be equal to under root A1 square, A2 square plus A3 square. Now let us take an example that a vector A is given 2i cap minus 3j cap plus 3k cap. So you tell me what is a1 here? 2. What is a2? Minus 1, and a3 is 3. So take its square. 2 to the 4 plus 1 plus 9 under root. So just solve it. 9 plus 4, 13 plus 1, 14. So your answer is under root 14. So I hope that you understood how to calculate the magnitude of a vector. Okay, and it is always written in mod. It is always written in mod. Now let us solve one numerical based upon the unit vector. Now here we will find the vector in the direction of given vector. Direction of given vector, if they have given, that means you have to find the unit vector. Okay, so vector is given 5 cap minus j cap plus 2 k cap is equal to, now with j they have not given anything, that means with j the coefficient is 1. Okay, so first of all you have to calculate magnitude. So how to calculate magnitude of a vector? It will be equal to under root and sum of the squares of the coefficients. So it is 5 square plus minus 1 square plus 2 square. So ultimately when you will solve it, you will get the answer under root 30. Now we have to find the direction. Direction I told you means unit vector. So it will be a unit vector is equal to, a cap should be here, equal to a vector upon its magnitude. So this is vector and magnitude is under root 30. So you can separate the terms and you will get the answer 5 upon under root 30 I cap, 1 upon under root 30 j cap plus 2 upon under root 30 k cap. So this is first numerical based upon unit vector. Let us solve one more numerical based upon same. Okay, so here you have given the vector that is 2 I cap plus 3j cap plus k cap. So first of all calculate the magnitude by using formula under root 2 square plus 3 square plus 1 square. And then use the formula unit vector is equal to vector upon its magnitude and separate the terms. Last term is not written here, so this is for you, just complete it. It will be 1 upon under root 14 k cap. So this is all about your today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.